Tired of dark circles? Discover how to brighten your under eyes with a simple DIY coffee and aloe mask. Let's get glowing. Dark circles are a common concern, often making us look tired even when we're well rested. But what causes them? Various factors contribute to dark circles, including genetics, lack of sleep, dehydration, and even allergies. But don't worry, there are natural solutions. Instead of relying on heavy makeup, let's explore a home remedy that truly works to naturally hide and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Our star remedy today is a powerful duo, coffee and aloe vera. Individually, they're fantastic, but together, they're a game changer for your under eyes. Coffee isn't just for waking you up in the morning. When applied topically, its caffeine content can help constrict blood vessels and reduce puffiness, giving your eyes a more awake look. Aloe vera is a natural wonder known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps hydrate the delicate skin under your eyes, reducing irritation and promoting healing. Ready to make your own mask? It's incredibly simple, and you likely have these ingredients in your kitchen already. For this mask, you'll need fresh aloe vera gel and finely ground coffee. Make sure your coffee grounds are as fine as possible for a smooth application. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds with 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel until you have a consistent paste. Adjust the consistency as needed. Now for the exciting part, applying the mask. Ensure your face is clean and dry before you begin. Using your fingertips or a soft brush, gently apply the paste to the under eye area, avoiding direct contact with your eyes. Relax and let the mask work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Here's a live demonstration of how to apply the mask. You can see how the natural ingredients instantly start to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Once the mask has done its job, proper aftercare is crucial to maintain those glowing results. After 15 to 20 minutes, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and admire your refreshed look. Follow up with your favorite hydrating eye cream to lock in moisture. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. This coffee and aloe mask is a wonderful, natural way to tackle dark circles. Consistency is key, so make it a regular part of your skincare routine. Embrace your natural beauty with bright, refreshed eyes. You'll love the confidence that comes with healthy, radiant skin. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and DIY remedies. Thanks for watching.